Hey all, just received a oscillating spindle and belt sander from Triton today. So we're going to unpack it. Looks like I got a little bit of damage over here on the side. A little general UPS issue. Anyway, should be nice and fun stuff. Kind of been after this for a little bit and finally got it. So anyway, let's get this all pulled apart, put together. Thanks. Catch you in a bit. So we got the Triton spindle sander unpackaged. Everything went together perfectly fine. No problems whatsoever. All the pieces were there. Everything's nicely packaged. No complaints whatsoever. Quick little set of features. This is a 4x24 belt. This is where the spindle is. So when you pull the whole unit off, you can have just a spindle. And these are the spindles that go with it. You have 2-inch, 1.5 inch, 1 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1/2 inch. And the 1/2 inch just sits right over the bolt, so there's no rubber insert, where these all have rubber inserts. You can probably see it very easily on that one. I'm not sure if the others are visible. These are washers that go along with all the inserts. And you have 0 clearance inserts right here. There's some dust collection, which I'll show you on the other side. This is one of the nuts that I'm sure goes up there when you replace it. And there's also this is, you basically swap that out up on top here when you replace it with just a spindle, so that you only have, sorry, I got this other sander in the way. Let's just show that real quick. This is kind of a sander that has been real useful, but obviously these are very different. The one thing I really like about this is that you can rest a piece of wood on here and sand flat, but this one really doesn't. You do have a disc for it, but the disc is too small. So anyway, back to this guy. Here's a couple of the 0 clearance inserts. We'll show the same ones on the other side, or the other ones on this side. 1, 2, 3 of them. You get the little wrench for you. And right there is the dust collection. It's a 1-inch port. So I've got a 2.5 inch shop vac. I'll just get a reducer for it. Got these on each side to basically lower the table. And you know, I don't have, I broke my tripod. I've got another one inside the house. I just haven't grabbed it yet. But I knocked it over and one of the little pieces broke. So let's do our best here to do this with one hand. Pull it apart. See if I can get that little washer out. There we go. Just gonna set them right there. This guy just lifts straight up. And there's a little tab right there. See if I can show that a little better. That tab fits right inside of there, and it just drops straight on. Real simple, easy. Moves just fine. It's not very noisy. This little sorry, one-handed stuff here, I'm not very good at the moment. This little guy to hold the wood against the belt is removable. There's a little, what the hell are those called? Wing nut to remove it. So anyway, that's it. I'll just turn it on real quick just so you can see how loud it is. And let me go ahead and get the washer and nut put back on. And again, sorry for the lack of a tripod here. Not sure that it would have really helped, other than you wouldn't be so shaky. Okay, see if I can tighten that on enough with one hand. There we go. Okay, and we're going to turn it on. So you can still talk over it just fine, but it's got some noise. It's not horrendous by any means. Okay, so I assume you were able to hear me talking over that, but I know that's kind of bad form to do so. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'll start running some sanding some wood through it, and I'm sure I'll show it in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.